Oh, hi! Hi, friends. We're almost ready. I just finished making a yummy snack called Chin Chin. I made it for my friend Abena. She's coming over to play today. Chin Chin is a treat from West Africa. You might find it in places like Nigeria or Ghana. Wait, did you say chinny chin chin? Like, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin? Like the three little pigs? Ugh. No, silly. Not that kind of chin chin. This chin chin is sweet, crispy, and really yummy. And guess what? I already made it before you woke up. Here it is. I'll put it here. You can have some later. Let me tell you what's in it. We use flour, sugar. What are you doing? Nothing? Okay. Flour, sugar, butter. What are you doing? I'm sorry. I was just taste testing. Okay. We use flour, sugar, butter, a bit of milk, some eggs, and sometimes a dash of nutmeg for flavor. It's gonna be so yummy! I can't wait to taste some once Abena gets here. Akos, you ate almost all of it, and it's not enough for everyone to have. I'm sorry. It was just so good. Hi, Ekua. Hi, Akos. Hi, Abena. We made some chin chin for you, but Akos ate it all. Hi, Abena. This is for you. I messed up. You can have the last chin chin. Well, that's okay. Maybe we can share. Thanks, Abena. This is delicious. Maybe next time we can make something together. Yeah, a play date and a cooking day. Can I help too? If I don't need anything?